All right, today's lecture is going to be really quick, and today's, the assignment that we're going to be doing the day that you should get this video is also pretty quick. By the way, this for those of you who are in this current class, this shouldn't be on your absolutely next quiz. Should show up on your test though. Anyway, it's pretty basic stuff. So it's just two formulas. The first one is the area of a triangle. So if you've been in geometry before, you may have seen what's the area of a triangle? It's 1/2 the base times the height. All right, but a lot of times you don't get the height of the triangle right away. You might be given two sides and an angle. And you could find the area of that triangle. All you need is the length of one leg times the, as you say, 1/2 times the length of one leg times the length of the next leg over, and then times the sine of the angle in between them. All right, so C is actually going to be the angle that's in between A and B. All right, one more time, it's 1/2 this leg, the left leg, times the right leg, times the angle, times the sine of the angle in between them. And that's it. All right, and we'll be doing you're just plugging this stuff into the formula. You just got to know how to set this up. It's really not too bad. Now, with regards to the area of a sector, well, a sector is just, if you can imagine a big old pizza, and then you take a slice out of that pizza, the area of that slice, that little slice is actually called the sector. You want to find the area of the sector. Well, this is a lot like the area of the arc length of any particular circle. Remember where we had the percentage times the circumference? This time it's the percentage times the area of the circle. Well, again, what is the percentage? Well, it's just going to be some angle theta over 360 degrees. So some angle theta over 360 degrees. Theta could be 25 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees, whatever. But this will actually give you a percentage. How much percentage of the pizza are you actually going to get? And for A, well, it's the area of a circle, which is just pi r squared. All right? And that's the formula right there. Pretty basic. So you got to know the radius and you got to know the angle of the slice of pizza that you're going to be working with. But it's really not too bad. All right. With that, we'll do a few examples and then call it a day. We'll do some homework too. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is just kind of demo the area of a triangle formula. You're going to see this a lot. I want to know the area of this triangle. I know it looks a little shoddy over here. This should be a little straighter, I guess. But anyway, what do I have? Well, I got the length of one leg of the triangle. I got the length of another leg of the triangle. And I have the angle in between them. Now that's all I need. It doesn't matter what two legs you pick. You could pick this leg and this leg, that leg and that leg. As long as you got the angle that's right in between the two of them, you're fine. Okay? So if I were to plug this into the formula, you just go 1/2 the first one, which is 120, the second one, which is 240, and the sine of 130 degrees. So this will be the sine of 130 degrees, and that's it. I don't think anybody here by now should struggle to plug this into your calculator. You can put that little fraction in a burrito just to be super clear. But yeah, it's pretty basic stuff. All right, you plug it in, you get your answer. All right, and finally, we got what's the area of a pizza slice? The area of a sector. Well, all you need is the radius and the angle of the pizza pie that you want. So, yep, I got my radius, which is 5. I got the angle of the slice, which is 120 degrees. Not too bad. So why don't we go ahead and just write that down? So 120 degrees over 360 degrees times pi 5 squared. All right, you plug it in, and what do you get? This happens to be what? 120 over 160 is just 1/3 times pi times 5 squared, which is 25. So this is like 25 divided by 3 pi, whatever that is. So I don't know. It's a little bit more than 8 times pi, so 8.3 times 8.3 repeating times pi. Not bad. Anyway, that's it. It's really not too bad. The next section is going to take a little bit of extra time, but this should just take one class, just the area of a triangle and the area of a sector. So for some of you, this might seem too easy, and for others, it might seem just the right amount of difficulty, which totally fine by me. So good work, or good luck working on your stuff today. I'm here to help you at any time that you need. Okay.